Hi friends, welcome back to class with Teacher Jaz for President. You guessed it, the cool kid advocate. This week we are going to be singing about the letter F. What are some words that begin with the letter F? Let's sing about it. F is for forever. F-O-R-E-V-E-R, forever. F is for family. F-A-M-I-L-Y, family. F is for friends. F-R-I-E-N-D-S, friends. F is for fashion. F-A-S-H-I-O-N, fashion. F is for farmer. F-A-R-M-E-R, farmer. F is for forgive. F-O-R-G-I-V-E, forgive. F is for faithful. F-A-I-T-H-F-U-L, faithful. I'm Teacher Jaz for President, and I approve this message.
Yes, sister.
If you're into it, head on over to the website for a private party. St. Patrick's Day edition. Let's get into it. Bye.